Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to explain artificial intelligence to you in an easy to understand way. The era of artificial intelligence robots is coming faster than we thought. If the era of the third industrial revolution was the invention of computers, the fourth industrial revolution is the artificial intelligence robot revolution. In the third industrial revolution, the invention of semiconductors, computers, and machines that understand human commands emerged, replacing human repetition and calculation. What are the principles of artificial intelligence? It's to mimic the human brain. To this day, research is underway on how our brains work, and many secrets remain unsolved. But it's artificial intelligence that has made computer programs do a similar imitation in the context of a certain degree of orthodoxy. It is often said in brain science that human intelligence is exercised in neural networks. It's artificial intelligence that's implementing this neural network as a program. Even with this artificial intelligence, there are still limitations. It's possible to learn and grow on your own for one purpose, but it's not a step that can develop into new behavior. Why did AI suddenly become an issue? One is the rapid increase in data processing power due to the emergence of GPUs capable of parallel processing. Another thing is the advent of big data. Machine learning is a technology that is often mentioned in artificial intelligence called deep learning. Machine learning is machine learning. By analyzing the data, the pattern is recognized, and the machine makes its predictions. The machine's pattern recognition is repeated to correct and repeat its errors, increasing accuracy. However, machine learning is a step that requires some human coding. You can think of it as an in-depth learning stage that has taken a step forward in machine learning. Utilize computing technology and big data to create a deep neural network. It's similar to the human brain neural network that we said we would imitate when we first defined AI. Categorizing data sets and finding correlations between data makes discoveries and predictions more accurate. Through the process of generating numerous errors, deep learning systems become more accurate and closer to achieving their goals. AlphaGo, which has recently become a hot topic, is also famous for going through this deep learning process. The simplification of deep learning neural networks is divided into input layers, intermediate layers, and output layers, which can be implemented in multiple layers rather than one. You should know that the more layers there are, the deeper the neural network becomes, but the longer the computation time is. The sensor receives the input signal and is transmitted to the middle layer. Instead of just passing it, you go through a probability-based processing process, weighting, using a specific function. These probabilities and weights affect the selection of output values, and the consequences continue to change throughout the learning process. In the final stage, the weights are optimized to the values that produce the most accurate output. Big data is important enough to introduce it as a separate technology. However, it is also an indispensable technology for artificial intelligence. This is because deep learning and machine learning requires a learning process through vast amounts of data. The reason why artificial intelligence can surpass human judgment is that it can remember and utilize vast amounts of data. It's the biggest weapon of artificial intelligence. Data processing technology is essential to activate artificial intelligence. No matter how good the ability is, if the learning time is long, the meaning will fade a lot. So now, many companies are making efforts to develop artificial intelligence chips for AI. Numerous global companies, including Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Baidu, are focusing on developing chips and technologies to be used to implement artificial intelligence. GPU is currently attracting attention. It's the graphics card that you usually use when you play games. GPUs may often lack data processing power than CPUs, but they are also attracting a lot of attention because they can be processed in parallel to achieve superior performance than CPUs. Artificial intelligence robot technology is expected to affect the social structure. If the existing social class was a pyramid structure of the upper, middle, and lower classes, artificial intelligence robot technology will replace some of the jobs of the middle class in the future, and the middle class will be reduced. In addition, the expansion of the efficiency of artificial intelligence robots will increase human lifespan, and in the increasing time, humans will spend more time staying in virtual reality such as VR. Thanks for watching.